In this video, I want to show you how to use the LiveText Launcher tool. If you had the integrated LiveText running on your TriCaster in a previous version and have upgraded to the Rev 8-4 software, this tool will make LiveText available to you once again. So I do want to mention that this is not going to add LiveText to any non-compatible system, only to systems that were running LiveText previously. So the way you'll use this is to go to Exit TriCaster and then exit to the Windows desktop. I have downloaded and unzipped the tool, and all you need to do is double click this Install LiveText Launcher batch file, and this will set up the association it's needed. Now, I do want to mention one thing about this. This is just a folder of files, and you can copy this anywhere you want on your system. And then when you double click on this, it will register the current location where this file is sitting with the TriCaster. If you moved this folder of files to a different location, just double click after you place it in the new location, double click on this Install LiveText Launcher again, so it re-registers the new location as to where to find this file. Now that we've done that, let's go back into the TriCaster software. Let's go to Add-ons, and you will find LiveText Launcher in the add-ons. When you click on it, it's going to ask you for two things. The first thing is the session in which you want these new titles associated with. So any sessions that are found in your system should appear. Let's just say I'm going to use session 2. And then you can choose a LiveText project. Now, if you've created one for this session previously, it should appear in this list. If it doesn't, you could just use the default name of untitled, or you could type in anything you want. Let's call this one my session 2 titles. And then when you hit enter or click on start LiveText, this will open up the LiveText software in the integrated mode. And at this point, you could use it just like you could previously. So let me just quickly, I'll just grab a title here that we're going to use. How about a high-tech one? And we'll make a few changes here really quick. How about we'll just change the color of that line of text. There we go. And I will then save this to my current page to live. We'll just use the default name, and we'll also save my project. And so now if I exit out, and just to show you, if I go back to LiveText Launcher, you'll see that session 1, there's no project, so it says untitled. But if I go to session 2, you can see it registers my S2 titles from previously. I could select that if I want to open it up and keep working with that title. Or again, if I want to create something from new, you could just type in whatever you wanted to and hit start LiveText. But we're going to close that. And now let's just quickly open up that title that I created. We'll go to a DDR or a buffer. I'll go to add some media. And if I look down here, there is my titles. There's session 2. There's the page I just made. I can open it up. You can see there's the red line of text. I can edit it just like I could before. And I now have LiveText available to me once again with this new version of TriCaster software. One final note, this is an unofficial tool, so do not reach out to VizRT support. If you have any problems, please contact myself.